dream of retiring early? Imagine waking up every day without the need to clock in. What if I told you it's not just a dream? Is it possible? Welcome to the only investment guide you'll ever need to retire early. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to accelerate your financial freedom, this video is your blueprint for success. Step 1. Start with a solid financial foundation. It may sound simple, but building your financial base is crucial. First things first, get rid of debt. High-interest debt like credit cards is a killer to your wealth-building journey. Pay it off as soon as you can. Next, build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This is your safety net, ensuring you're not forced to tap into investments when life throws a curveball. Once you've got your financial base in place, it's time for the real magic to begin. Let's talk about investing. Step 2. Understand compounding. Here's the secret that most people overlook. Compounding is your best friend. The earlier you invest, the more your money grows without you having to do a thing. It's like planting a tree today and watching it grow year after year. For example, if you invest $10,000 at a 7% annual return, in 10 years, you'll have almost $20,000. In 30 years, over $75,000. But the earlier you start, the more your money works for you. Now, where should you put your money? Let's look at options. Step 3. The power of stocks. Historically, the stock market has averaged an annual return of around 7% after inflation. This makes it one of the most reliable ways to build wealth long-term. But don't just pick random stocks. Invest in low-cost index funds and ETFs that track the broader market. These funds give you exposure to thousands of companies, lowering your risk while offering consistent returns. If you're not familiar with stocks, don't worry. Index funds like the S&P 500 are simple, proven ways to grow your money over time with very little effort on your part. Step 4. Real estate. This is where things get exciting. Owning rental properties can provide you with passive income every month, plus the potential for appreciation over time. Start by saving for a down payment, then buy a property that you can rent out. Over time, your tenants will pay off the mortgage, and the property will appreciate in value. Imagine collecting rent checks while your equity grows. Real estate can be a powerful tool to create passive income streams, but it does require effort. Be sure to do your research on local markets and potential rental income before diving in. Step 5. Automate your investments. The key to long-term success is consistency. Set up automatic contributions to your investment account so you never miss a payment. Even small amounts add up over time, and automation helps you stay disciplined. By automating your contributions, you ensure that you're always building wealth even when life gets busy. Step 6. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and maybe even some alternative investments like precious metals or cryptocurrencies. Diversification reduces risk and ensures that you're not overly exposed to one asset class. Consider adding bonds to your portfolio for stability or real estate for passive income. This balance can help you weather market fluctuations and build long-term wealth. Step 7. Minimize taxes. Taxes can eat away at your returns, so it's essential to be strategic. Invest through tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401ks. These accounts allow your money to grow tax-deferred or tax-free, accelerating your path to financial freedom. Also, consider tax expansion investment strategies like holding onto investments for the long term to take advantage of lower capital gains rates. Step 8. Plan for financial independence. Retirement isn't just about stopping work, it's about having enough income from your investments to support your lifestyle. Once you reach this point, you have the freedom to work less or not at all. Your goal should be to have enough passive income streams from dividends, interest, and rental income to cover your living expenses. When that day comes, you're free to retire on your terms. Finally, the bottom line, stay consistent. It's not about getting rich overnight, it's about steadily building wealth over time. Patience and discipline are your greatest allies. Start today, keep investing, and in time you'll find yourself on the path to early retirement. It's all within your reach. Thanks for watching, and remember, your future starts now.